Go ahead. Go ahead, do you?
I'm about to jump back in this shit because this nigga's mad ass. I got mad bars and I got mad class. I'm the queen of this shit, so you already know what it is. When I'm putting that Mac to your head, bitch, you better close that shit. I got motherfucking bars for days. Bitches don't know about me. I'm the motherfucking bad bitch. Fuck that. I'm a motherfucking fat bitch. I'm a fat bitch in my ass. Let me back. I'm the motherfucking queen of the ring. You already know what it is. I battle any bitch playing, joking, bitch. I'm serious. You think you got bars and shit? You wanna brag for a minute? You wanna put your swag all in it, but bitch, you ain't got no swag because your ass ain't in it. You got flat ass, big stomach, motherfucking big ass titties, fucking short ass hair, bitch. I got motherfucking G's with me. I got my gun in the back. I got my blade in my mouth. Switch that shit out. Slash your face, bitch. You already know what I'm about. G's up, hoes down, niggas fuck around. They get fucked up, they get laid down, picked back up, and sprayed down. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas talking about. I'm a motherfucking boss in this shit. Bars all day, so you already know what it is.
Time.
$60. So the phone, you know how I go. Fuck it. I want to.